Hello guys, this is Unnati. I hope you all are doing well. Today I will be sharing with you all that how we can make any lipstick matte. First of all, apply any lip balm on your lips to keep your lips hydrated and so that there are no cracks visible on your lips. Then apply any lipstick of your choice. I will be mixing the shades of lipsticks over here, which are not matte. I don't use the lip liner, but if you do, first of all you can put up any lip liner and then move ahead with the lipstick balm. Once you're done with the lipstick part, apply powder on your lips. Take powder on your finger and tap it on your lips. Once you are done with applying powder, press your lips against each other. And dust off the extra powder. Ready to go. And by the way, I'm just loving my hair today. Just having a good hair day. I hope this video helped you learn something new. If yes, then please subscribe, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Bye bye.